Good morning students. Now today your topic is question answer. Now question number 8. Fill in the blanks. A dash is any defect or abnormality found in the body. डैश में क्या भरना है आपको कि कोई डिफेक्ट या एबनॉर्मलिटी क्या कहलाता है. Disease. Write down disease. A disease is any defect or abnormality found in the body. Now in second question, children in the age of dash years often suffer from protein carbohydrate deficiency disease. 6 months, fill up 6 months to 3 years. 6 months to 3 years. Understand? Now third question, minerals are present in dash amount in our body. Minerals का जो amount होता है वो कितना होता है, तो write down small amount. Small, you have to fill small amount in our body. Now fourth question, the disease that causes enlargement of glands in the neck is known as. Write down goiter. Goitre. Goitre. Have you written? Now question number 5. The disease that get spread through insect, air, water and soil are known as. Write down communicable disease. Communicable. COMMUNICABLE. Communicable diseases. Now fill in the blanks is finished. Now we proceed on question number B. Match the following. Anemia. Anemia, match this with D. 1D, that is iron. You know that deficiency of iron gives the disease what? Anemia. Anemia, write down, match it with D. 1D. Now second, night blindness. Now 2E, vitamin A. Third, scurvy, match it with vitamin C. Now fourth, goiter, match it with iodine. And fifth, beriberi, match it with vitamin B. Now I repeat again. Anemia, D. Night blindness, E. Vitamin A. Scurvy, vitamin C. Goiter, iodine. And beriberi, vitamin B. Have you written? Now we proceed on question number C. Hemoglobin content becomes less when a person is suffering from. हीमोग्लोबिन कंटेंट जो है वो कम हो जाता है जब पर्सन किस बीमारी से ग्रसित होता है. राइट डाउन एनीमिया. हैव यू रिटन? ऑप्शन सी. ठीक है, एनीमिया. नाउ सेकेंड, ए पर्सन हैविंग swollen and bleeding gums might be suffering from that. What will? Scurvy. Write down B option, scurvy. Now third, germs of common cold spread through. Germs of common cold. Common cold का germs कैसे spread होता है आप जानते हो ना, स्नीजिंग और कफिंग होता है तो कैसे spread होगा? एयर. ठीक है, फर्स्ट ऑप्शन एयर. नाउ डेफिशिएंसी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ प्रोटीन्स एंड कार्बोहाइड्रेट in the diet of the small child can lead to. बच्चों में अगर प्रोटीन और कार्बोहाइड्रेट की कमी हो गई तो क्या हो सकता है? वीक बोन्स, ब्लीडिंग गम्स, इम्प्रॉपर ग्रोथ ऑफ बॉडी, बो शेप्ड लेग. राइट डाउन ऑप्शन बी, इम्प्रॉपर ग्रोथ ऑफ बॉडी. हैव यू रिटन? बी, फोर्थ बी, इम्प्रॉपर ग्रोथ ऑफ बॉडी. हैव यू रिटन? Now question number 5. Legs become bow shaped due to deficiency of. बो शैप्ड, धनुष के शेप आकार का हो जाता है लेग किसकी डेफिशिएंसी से? अब जानते हैं विटामिन डी. ठीक है, आप लगाएंगे इसका फिफ्थ का डी ऑप्शन, विटामिन डी। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर डी, स्टेट द टू मेन कैटेगरीज ऑफ डिजीजेज, राइट डाउन फर्स्ट कम्युनिकेबल एंड सेकेंड नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज। Now second, write two symptoms of the disease very. Write down first extreme weakness and second paralysis of body parts. First extreme weakness and second paralysis of body parts. Now third, name any two diseases that are spread through the bite of mosquito. Malaria, dengue. Malaria and dengue. Have you written? Malaria and dengue. A girl finds it difficult to see in dim light and has dry and scaly skin. Name the disease she might be suffering from. What disease? Night blindness. Write down night blindness. Why should we not allow water to stagnate around our home? Write down because stagnant water becomes the breeding place of mosquitoes. Because the stagnant water becomes the breeding place of mosquitoes. Have you written? Now question number 1E. How does calcium phosphorus deficiency affect our body? Write down. Our teeth becomes loose and loose its shining and lose its shining. Have you written? Our bones becomes weak. Our bones become weak. Now second, suggest some measures that can help us to prevent the occurrence of deficiency disease. First, one should take balanced diet. Second, one should have the good food practice. And third, children must be given the milk or milk products, porridge, soft boiled rice and juices. How can we prevent the spread of germs from a sick person to a healthy person? By disinfecting all the articles used by sick person. Second, by disinfected their clothes. By keeping hanky or hanky on mouth and nose while they are sneezing or coughing. Now question number 4. Isha was suffering from chickenpox. Her teacher advised her not to come to school till she has recovered completely. Why? Because, write down, because chickenpox is the communicable disease and many children may be suffer from chickenpox. Understand? Because chickenpox is the communicable disease and many children may be suffer from this disease. Why are deficiency disease called non-communicable disease? Because, write down, deficiency disease is taken place by lackness of nutrients in our body, not by transfer of germs from one person to another person. Understand? Because deficiency disease is taken place by lackness of nutrients in our body, not by transfer of germs from one person to another person. Understand? Now A to E question answer is done. Next day value based question I will explain.